Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Fab Fit Fun. So I just got the box like a week ago, I would say, but this was sent to me, but this is not a sponsored video. I've literally been interested in Fab Fit Fun for years now. So they're only seasonal subscription boxes, so they send one for spring, summer, fall, and winter. So this is their winter collection of 2020. So how it works is that you pay $50 for the box, but you always get $200 worth of items, full-size products in the box. So that's why it's huge. Like, I know it looks really big on camera because I am sitting pretty close to the camera, but this still is a really big box as well. So if you guys are interested, you guys can use my code for $10 off your first box of Fab Fit Fun. But this is how it looks. It's such a pretty box, this winter like designed. I really appreciate it. It's just the little details. So they give you a bunch of little items. Like here you might like get wine, a sticker, 50% off, and HelloFresh. I actually love HelloFresh. My sister bought it for us a couple of months and it was really good, but of course it was expensive, so I'm actually gonna be really excited for that. Here is actually a magazine. I am surprised. Oh, and then they have all the items that you can choose from, and it gives you, I guess, information. So that's actually really cool. So what's cool about Fab Fit Fun is that usually there is a product in here that always pays for itself. Like, it's always worth more than like that $15 like right off the bat. This is the robe that I selected. It's from Summer and Rose, and it's more of a teddy bear color shade, kind of like, I guess, like a warm white brown, light brown shade. This robe in itself is already $70. Like, so right here, this already pays for itself. It's so soft. And it has a hood. That's like what I like the most about this. I chose a small or medium. I should have chose medium or large just so that it can envelop me. I can't wait to use this tonight. Like, it's so comfy. Like, I can't wait to do self-care tonight and do my skincare. Like, this just feels so plush. So I'm so happy I got this. So I typically wear medium, so this size is perfect for me. Honestly, the best thing about this robe is definitely the pockets. The hood is definitely a bonus, but pockets, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so this is the below the belt card case right here, and so this one is worth $35. So this in itself is already like a pretty high price tag. I usually don't carry purses with me, so I've been looking for like some type of small case to have, and so this is like really nice just because it's just an easy card case. Here is how it looks, and it has all these design and texture on it, so it's really pretty. So next up we have is the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion right here. I've never really used Murad before, but my sister has, and she really likes their vitamin C collection. So this one is for the collagen, and I'm really happy to start using this. This is a full bottle, and I think this will be great for moisturizing and just to help hydrate the skin. So there was a lot of different options that you can choose from, but I ended up just choosing the Murad skincare because I didn't really need a vanity light because I already have like 2 mirrors. But looking back, maybe I should have gotten it. That would have been nice, but in the end I'm still happy that I chose this Murad skincare just because I really like skincare right now. So next up we have is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling Eye Gel Eye Balm. Such a mouthful. Is brightening eye balm. So I heard that this one has glitter in it. So this is the Tula. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, so just to bite it right here, it does have this pinky white under sheen to it, so it is really cooling underneath. It says that you can use it before or after makeup, but I am wearing makeup. I guess for the sake of this video, I will be using it underneath my eyes. So let me just get something. I guess I'll just use my viewfinder. So there was a really cool sensation when I was applying it, but I don't know if you can really see that sheen to it. Probably not, because I only applied a one light layer, but I'm really excited to use this, I guess, more as a skincare in the morning kind of deal, especially just to help kind of like depuff my eyes. So next up we have is the Daily Facial Dry Brush right here, and I've honestly have never dry brushed before in my life. It's supposed to help your lymphatic system right here and to just help drain that area. So it's softer than I expected, which is great because you don't want to have anything too abrasive on your skin. I have recently been trying to gua sha my face just like the past, I think, 2 times a week now, but I think I will try to start to incorporate this in the morning but it's just another way to drain your lymphatic system right here. So I think I will be trying that out. Okay, so next up we have is the apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder right here. So this retails for $24, and I was really excited to try this apple cider vinegar dry shampoo simply because the apple cider vinegar is known to detoxify the hair, and because I'm in need of finding like a holy grail dry shampoo, because on the second day my hair is already getting oily. I took a shower last night and I woke up and it is pretty oily, so I guess we can try it on camera. So there is like a squeezy tube at the tip right here, so I will just be applying this on. Oh, I guess it would be better just to shake it in. So I get really oily hair, and so for me, I found out that applying dry shampoo before it gets oily is honestly one of the best things to do, because it helps prevent the oils before it starts to soak and show through. So for me, I do like applying dry shampoo, I guess, like the day of that I take a shower. It doesn't really smell like apple cider vinegar. It smells fresh. Like, it kind of reminds me of like fresh laundry, if I'm gonna be honest. But as you can see, it did soak up a little bit of my oils that was already starting to form. So I'm really excited to test this out more in the future. But yeah, I'm just really happy that I can try out more dry shampoos, because I'm still trying to find my holy grail. If you guys have a favorite, let me know in the comments down below. So this is the Aestheticia liquid eyeliner in black, and this one retails for $21. And I haven't really been into I guess eyeliner or liquid eyeliner in a while, but I am trying to like go back into it. So I think for the meantime, I think I will try to start using this again. For this design, it has more of a pot formulation, which I'm not a huge fan of. I typically like a pen because it's easier to draw. So the brush itself is a really thick brush. I wish it was a little bit thinner, considering that this is like a liquid eyeliner. I think getting used to this will be something I have to try, simply because I haven't really been using black eyeliner in a while. But I do like how precise it is. I thought that the brush wouldn't be this precise, but it's actually doing a really good job considering that it's a fatter brush. But as you can see, you do get a wide range of, I guess, like thicker eyeliners and thin eyeliners, so I'm really glad. I typically do like pen versions a lot more. This is really pigmented. Like, I haven't used a black eyeliner in a long time, so this is kind of scary for me to use, if I'm gonna be honest. But I can't wait to play around with liquid eyeliner again. Okay, so this is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara, and this retails for $28. So it's supposed to help lift, lengthen, and curl, and it has shea butter and beeswax in it. And I've heard really good things about this product, but I myself have never tried it. So actually, I can try it out right now for you guys. So this is a really nice brush that it has a lot of spikes, so you can easily get into the lashes. Okay, so the actual formulation itself, I really like that it's not a wet formula right from the get-go, because I don't like it when it's too wet, because that just weighs down on my eyelashes way too much. And I'm surprised that it's actually giving me so much curl, especially because I didn't even curl my lashes at all. You can see that like it actually is curling my lashes right here. These lashes are a little bit chunky monkey, but you know what, I'm actually not too mad considering that I didn't even curl my lashes at all prior, but it still is giving me actual lift and volume to the lashes, which no other mascara has ever done. So the thing is that I don't even have straight down eyelashes. They are normal, but they just need to be curled to actually have a curl. And the thing is that like I've never had a mascara where it actually curls my eyelashes, so I can't wait to use this with an actual eyelash curler. I think this is gonna be beautiful on the eyes. Like, I'm so excited to use this. So that was it for this unboxing and try on for these Fab Fit Fun products. I think they are so interesting, and their subscription is something I've been always eyeing for like the longest time. And I can first say that like I think this is worth it if you have the money to splurge on like $50 during the season. I think this is great. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.